Tobacco smoke. Children should never be exposed to tobacco smoke, whether through direct smoking or secondhand smoke. It increases their risk of respiratory infections, asthma, sudden infant death syndrome, SIDS, and can impair lung function as they grow. Alcohol and drugs. Children's developing bodies and minds are highly vulnerable to the effects of alcohol and drugs. Exposure to these substances can lead to addiction, cognitive impairments, behavioral issues, and even health problems. Junk food and sugary beverages. While occasional treats are fine, excessive consumption of junk food and sugary beverages can contribute to childhood obesity, diabetes, and other metabolic disorders. A balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains is essential for their growth and development. Screen time. Excessive screen time, whether it's from TVs, computers, smartphones, or tablets, can have detrimental effects on children's health. It can disrupt sleep patterns, lead to sedentary behavior, impair social skills, and contribute to problems like obesity and eye strain. Environmental toxins. Children are more susceptible to the harmful effects of environmental toxins such as lead, mercury, pesticides, and air pollutants. These toxins can interfere with their neurological development, lead to learning disabilities, and increase their risk of respiratory problems and other health issues. Violence and abuse. Children should be shielded from exposure to violence, whether it's in the form of domestic violence, bullying, or witnessing violent media content. Such exposure can cause psychological trauma, anxiety, depression, and emotional scars. Unsafe physical environments. Children should be kept away from environments that pose physical hazards such as unsafe neighborhoods, poorly maintained playgrounds, and areas with heavy traffic. Accidents and injuries can have serious consequences on their health and inadequate hygiene and sanitation. Poor hygiene practices and inadequate sanitation facilities can expose children to infectious diseases such as diarrhea, respiratory infections, and skin diseases. Proper handwashing, clean water, and sanitation infrastructure are essential for preventing the spread of illness. Stressful situations. Chronic stress can negatively impact children's physical and mental health. It's important to create nurturing and supportive environments that promote resilience and provide outlets for managing stress effectively.